Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. Got a package in the mail. Let's see what we have here. Oh wow, that's fast. Oh wow, that is really fast. That's from Banggood. They have a Amazon store. They sent me some heated gloves. Perfect time for the season. They look thick. Look at this. 2 batteries. Let me redo my camera. 2 batteries and a charger. And a storage bag with a zipper. Look at that. Set that up here. There's your charger. A real handbook. Wow, it's thick. Wow. Different languages, but hey. A real handbook. I'm going to have to check out the instructions. There's a cable here. There's a zippered pouch. You see how they feel. Well, they fit. You can feel that there's something in there. You can absolutely feel there's something going on in there. Interesting. There's your on-off and power. Well, I can't wait to try these out. They look like snowmobile gloves. I bet they would be good for snowmobiling. On their own, they're thick. Got a cinch strap here for tightening it. Can clip them together. The thing I struggled with a minute ago. Both of them have their own multi-level adjustable power. Cool. Well, I'm going to have to charge this up. Wait a minute. Look at this. There's 2. It's a double charger. You can charge both at the same time. I didn't even think of that. Not only that, this is a long cord. Wow, it goes on and on and on and on forever. 2 ports. That's got to be, what is it, at least a 6-foot or more cord. So we've got 2 batteries, 1 for each glove. Pretty thick. Now there's your charging port. So each one of these will go into a battery and charge both at the same time. They really thought that out well, didn't they? 7.4 volts, 3200 milliamp hours, 23.68 watt hours. Cool. Well, I wonder what's in there. Probably flat packs. Well, I'll get these charged up and we'll be back. These things are great for keeping you warm when shoveling or scooping the snow off the vehicle in a freezing cold winter morning. At least my hands are nice and cozy. These gloves keep me nice and warm too when doing the solar panels. Actually, I find I'm using these every single day now. When I drive the truck in the mornings and starting up first time to go somewhere, I put these on to keep me warm in the truck. Anything I'm doing around here, whether opening the gates, sweeping solar panels, shoveling snow, anything I'm doing around here now, these are my grab and go gloves. for when it's cold like this, but I wouldn't use them for heavy work. For like, I wouldn't handle firewood with these because I wouldn't want to ruin them. I wouldn't use any good gloves for handling firewood. Anything like that would last a day. But for working around, shoveling snow, sweeping solar panels, driving your vehicle, coming soon we're going to have ice fishing season. Actually, we're in hunting season, and by the way, I got these within 2 to 3 days after I talked to Banggood about them, and I was very surprised because they have an Amazon store. They arrive really quick, and we're still in the middle of the hunting season. Rifle season is finishing up, or I think it just finished yesterday. Anyway, rifle season is over. We still got some more archery and late rifle and on and on. Anyway, you can still get them for the hunt, and it's been cold here this year so far. Really cold. And ice fishing coming up, snowmobiling. They're really working out well for me, and I will be using them in ice fishing this year. So these work by pressing and holding the on-off button for a second. 1, 2, 3. And then it comes on and it shows you, right now it's on high, and there are 3 out of 4 bars of charge. I hope that shows on the camera. And then you press it again for a second and it'll go from high, whoops, I held it too long, on. Press it again, it goes from high to medium to low to high again. Alright, and so you've got 3 out of 4 bars indicating your charge, and you've got 3 heat level indicators. And then hold it again for a few seconds and it goes off. So really neat, really convenient. I also like how it looks in the night, flashing it around. It makes a good night light when you're trying to get in to your through a lock, putting a key in a lock. You hold your one hand with the LEDs facing the lock, and with the other you can open the lock. It's pretty cool. So the battery's in here, and just disconnects and pulls out like that, and it goes in like that, and it's pretty firm, so it's not going to come loose on you when you're out and about, which is good. And then zip your pouch back up and you're ready to go. So I've used these for about 2 weeks now. It turned out in the end about 2 weeks, and I use them about every day. It is cold. We have 16 degrees Fahrenheit in the mornings out here when I've got to scrape the snow and ice off the truck, sweep the solar panels, and these are really making an awesome difference for me. So I can see these for ice fishing and hunting, camping, or daily use like I am, just in normal winter living. So check it out, guys. I'll put the links down below. There is a super sale on Banggood's website going on right now, so I'll make sure I put everything, all the information down below for you. Please do like this video, and I'll talk to you guys all later.